Hello guys, today we're gonna install this Perrin inlet hose to my Subaru BRZ. The inlet hose, the clamps, that cover for that plug, what is it? A vacuum cap, and a license plate and a sticker, which was always nice. Yeah, so it should be just an inlet hose that deletes this part over here. So I think I'm gonna loosen this clamp off, then take these 2 bolts, then probably try to, yeah, I think it looks bendable. I can probably just take it off from here. Start with the clamp over here. This is going easier than I thought, so I'm just gonna try to yank the inlet hose out. Yeah, I think this is a better way to do it rather than taking out the air box. Okay, so we're gonna take this one out. We have to take these 2 bolts off. So a 10mm here and 1 over here. Okay. Wow, that's a long bolt. A long bolt than I thought. Oh, it's already off. Dummy. This one. Okay, that should be off. I'm gonna take this one out. That's how you do it. Okay, take out this intake hose over here. I'll put it in for now since I don't want this open for a long time. Just trying to wipe stuff if there's like stuff in there, but it looks pretty clean. That K&N filter doing its job. I'm just gonna put this in for now. So I've seen people do it here first. Okay, yeah, it looks like that's easier. Okay. Oh, I don't want to scratch it, but okay. Here, looks like a good spot here. And loosen that up. Okay. Good. Already happy seeing this progress. Okay, and we'll just tighten that up. So yeah, we're putting back this small hose back to this inlet and put that clip over there. So this hose, we can clamp it back. Okay. Uh-oh. We're gonna do this. Uh-oh. I think I should put it in there first, huh? Oh, there we go. Okay. So just remove this thing. Looks like this will just snap out. Over here. I think I'll just pull this one out. Hope it don't break anything. Okay, that would just snap out. And they said we're just gonna feel something from here. Oh, there we go. Then your sound generator tube should be out. Now we just have to plug in the sound generator. Let me just grab the cap first so I know the right orientation. So here's the last piece that we need. Just have to plug this in. Take it out from here. Okay, should be good. Oh, there we go. And we'll put the little cap Perrin has provided us. Doesn't look too secure for me. Looks like it's just gonna fall out over time, so I think I'm gonna add some zip tie to this. Now for the last part, we'll just have to put this in. I already secured it with a zip tie, just peace of mind for myself. I can't really see anything in there, but it looks like okay. There's just a hole over here. Just have to feel it. So we'll just have to put this little guy back. Now we'll just have to put in the bolts back over here. So I think that should be it. Then we'll just check everything for the last time and tighten it before we start the car. Yeah, I think you don't need to put this back, but I just like putting everything back. So in case I can mount something here in the future. Okay, it looks better. Double check. Always like to double check your work. That feels tight. Okay. And that's just a clamp over there. Okay, that's it. Then we can just go ahead and start the car and see how it goes, because our belt over here is pretty close, so we'll just have to make sure when the engine's on or vibrating. So okay, start the car now. Go ahead and check our work. So hey guys, that's it. We have finished installing this Perrin inlet hose. Looks, in my opinion, way better, way cleaner in the engine bay after deleting that sound generator tube. Hope you liked that video. See you next time. Hello guys, today we're gonna install this